Johann Nepomuk Hummel lived around the time of Beethoven and is a wonderful composer who wrote a great piece for the viola called Fantasie, the Hummel Fantasie. So let's take a look through that. I'm going to kind of play it and give you my thoughts on the piece as I go, and we'll just kind of have a little masterclass on the piece. At the beginning, it's singing, it's warm, it's operatic, it's like a little overture to the piece. There are 4 sections in the piece, most of which have some sort of an operatic part to it. He borrows melodies from Mozart's Don Giovanni, Mozart's Marriage of Figaro, Mozart's Abduction of the Seraglio, and a few operas by Rossini. So there are a lot of operatic melodies here and a lot of fun things to do. It's varied. It's called, the original name of the piece was called Potpourri, so a bunch of things. This is called Fantasie now, but let's take a look at it. Those noises in the background, they're working on my house, so I apologize for all the noises, but we'll get through the piece. At the beginning, warm, beautiful bow strokes, need to count really well, so let's hear it. Sustain the long notes. Warm up your left hand. Hold the notes as long as you can. Warm. Change color to something soft. Grow with the long notes. Now I'm big. Now I'm going to lighten up. Wait. Question. Big question mark. Sustain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next section is truly operatic. It's a beautiful melody. We can sing it easily. A lot of character in the right hand. Short notes get short bow. Long notes get long bows. Sustain. Character. The next section gets a little bit more aggressive and agitated, some accents, some syncopations that need vibrato on the syncopated notes, syncopation being those notes that are off the beat. So syncopation coming up. Over there's a little variation on the melody. Could anybody hear my wrong note I played a little while ago? If so, let me know down in the comments what that is. Warm, pull, leading in, risoluto means very steady and strong with the rhythm, so I play a little more punchy and martelé style there. Like so. Now we go into kind of a waltzy 6/8 part that I love. There's a lot of character, there are a lot of range changes, a lot of singing. Let's take a look at it. Rhythmic. The word céder means to kind of yield or slow down, so I try to play very warmly. After that, we get to the all-star ending, where we have a lot of string crossings called bariolage, and a lot of noise and fun scales, virtuosic, and an exciting ending. Whoa, that's exciting. So that is such an exciting piece. I hope this video helps you just to kind of see what I do with the piece. It's fun to play. It sounds great. People love it. I hope you can play it. I hope you enjoy playing it. And until the next time I see you, happy practicing.